Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about limit. So in this one I can put like this. When s approaches to number 0 on the right, this one will go to positive infinity. If we put number 0 in here, because cosine t over t square, and we know that when t go to number 0 on the right, this one will go to positive infinity, and this one, if we go to number 0 in here, this one will go to positive infinity. So that means we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So that is about, we can use L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So I will show you the formula to find this one. So if we do first derivative, this is about, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b we change for t, minus, we need to do first derivative of 8, and the value of 8 we change for t. Now if we apply the formula in here, that should be like this. So we need to do first derivative of number 1. So that is about the constant. So this one in here, you got number 0. And this one, we need to do first derivative of s, and the value of s we change for t. And we have the negative sign here. So we have negative cosine of s over s squared. This one, we have negative 1 over s squared. So we need to simplify negative, s squared, and we just have only cosine s. So we put number 0 on here, and that is about cosine 0. Cosine 0, that is about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.